Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make garlic lime grilled chicken tacos. These chicken tacos are super easy to make and they're also super delicious. I've taken my fan favorite recipe for garlic lime chicken and turned it into a grilled chicken taco wonder. You're gonna love it. To start, you'll need to place 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs into a Ziploc bag, or you can do this in a shallow bowl, or instead of chicken thighs, you can also use chicken breasts. Then we're gonna get a little marinade going, starting with 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, add a kick with 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then last of all, 4 cloves of minced garlic. We're gonna seal this up, start squishing this around so that all of the chicken gets evenly coated with the spices and everything that's in our marinade. Then we'll pop this in the fridge and let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. In the meantime, you'll want to get an outdoor grill heating to high heat, which is between 400 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll go ahead and get our chicken grilling. They really take about 3 to 4 minutes per side before you need to transfer them off of this direct heat to finish cooking, but the actual cooking time really depends on the size of your chicken thighs. Now, once your chicken's off the grill, you'll want to chop it into little bite-sized pieces for tacos. Then you'll also want a variety of toppings ready, like freshly chopped cilantro, red onion, tomatoes, lime. You could also do avocado, some cotija, or queso fresco. It's really up to you. Then it's just a matter of whether you're going to use corn tortillas or flour tortillas. So I'm just going to heat up some flour tortillas really quick, and since the grill's already hot, we might as well do it on the grill. Put it all together and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.